It's a really comfortable truck. The seat's fully adjustable. You can move backwards, forwards. The actual tilt on the truck as well, so you can get a better angle at looking. The steering wheel itself is fully adjustable, up, down, front, back. Four buttons, they're quite widespread but not too wide for your fingers, so there's no mistake of hitting the wrong button. The display board is bright, it's clear to understand. Directional sensor on there so we can always tell which direction we're actually travelling in, and the steering is easy. The most basic steering you can think of. Really like the Doosan truck. It's so simple to use, it's perfect for our operation. It's so comfortable. We actually use these 24/7, all day, every day. The reliability of them is next to none. We never really have an issue with them ever going down. It's everything that we need for our operation. It's quite a busy warehouse, so these are going all the time.